Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be exclusively for the ones who are wearing contact lenses. So people tend to wear contact lenses due to various reasons, like those who have more power, and those who cannot wear, those who will not be able to wear glasses. So in these cases many are wearing contact lenses, but there's always an issue when wearing makeup and contact lenses. So in this video I'm going to just tell you do's and don'ts, tips and tricks of makeup, like doing your makeup with the contact lenses on. Before proceeding further, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please do share my video and follow me on Instagram at Samyuktha Vinod, and like my Facebook page Samyuktha Vinod for more such updates. And let's start. The time of wearing contact lenses. I would highly suggest you to wear the contact lenses before proceeding with your makeup. It's because when you're wearing contact lenses, you might tend to just your eyes might tend to water. So in this case, once after the makeup is done, if you're going to wear it, so it might ruin your makeup. So always wear your contact lenses and then proceed with your makeup. Prefer makeup sponge instead of brush, as it might poke your eyes, like when you're just putting your foundation or eye base, whatever it is, it might just irritate your eyelids. So better go with the sponge so that you can just go in with the dabbing motions instead of rubbing motions, so your contact lenses will not move in place. 3. When you're going with the powdering your face, always use a sponge, or like as I said, instead of a brush, so it might just disturb, like the powder might just go here and there. So in that case, when you're just dusting like this, it might go into your eyes and irritate your eyes. So it is always go with a wet sponge so that that powder will not move its place. And also with regards to powder, always go with the pressed powders instead of a loose powder. So loose powders tend to just go here and there, as I said, whereas pressed powder is always, it doesn't move much. So always use pressed powder. So I'll show you how it goes. So just take powder, it's a wet sponge, the next step is for eyebrows. As usual, do not use the powder product. So when you're using that, it might fall into your eyes. So always go with a stick, something which is in cream format. It can be anything, like it can be a brow gel, or it can be a brow mascaras, or pencils, or it can be brow pomade. So for now I'm going to use this Maybelline's brow pomade for today's look. Next tip is for your eyeshadows. So when you're going with the eyeshadow, always prefer cream eyeshadows or stick eyeshadows and not powder eyeshadows, as it might tend to fall in your eyes. Today's video I'm going to use this Rimmel Scandaleyes pencil, and this is a waterproof too. So even if you're going in a wet place, say for example if it rains also, it doesn't move and it doesn't irritate your eyes. So it's always better to go with this kind of product for your eyes when you're wearing contact lenses. Always just dab the product and do not move it here. When it comes to this ball size, please do not rub it, as it tends to move your contact lenses. Instead, you can just dab it here, and the ends you can smudge it. Now eye part is over. So the next one is your waterline. When you're using your kajals, make sure it is ophthalmologically tested, and the product is ophthalmologically tested, and it is smudge proof and waterproof. Today's video I'm going to use this product, like it's L'Oreal's Bold Magique Kajal, which is a smudge proof, waterproof and ophthalmologically tested product for my waterline. comes the mascara. So when you're going for a mascaras, always go with the waterproof one and not washable, because when you're just, if you're watering, if your eyes might be watering for various reasons, and in that case it might drip in your eyes and irritate your eyes. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up so that it will encourage me a lot to do such videos. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and do not forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will not miss any of my videos whenever I upload new videos. And follow me on my various social medias like Instagram at Samyuktha Vinod, and Facebook, like my Facebook page Samyuktha Vinod YouTube updates. So from here, all the social media links are in the description bar below, so make sure to check them out, and all the product details will be mentioned in the description bar. And also do not forget to check the cards which is in the I button. So I'll be uploading various other videos of mine, and please do check that out too. So thank you for watching. Bye, have a great day.